everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Happn account. So Happn is online dating platform. So if you want to create that account, what you have to do is launch up an Happn application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Happn application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for connect with Google. Simply tap on it. Now you'll have to read the terms of service. Simply read these informations very carefully. Tap on the option accept conditions. Now you'll have to agree to the privacy policy of Happn. Simply tap on the option agree and close. So in order to create the Happn account, what you have to do is select an account to continue. So simply tap on the Google account that you want to use in order to create your account. Now you'll have to enter your first name. It will be displayed on your profile and you will not be able to change it later. So simply enter your first name over here. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now select the date of birth. Tap on the field of date of birth. Now simply select the month first. Likewise select the day. Now select the year. Now tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Again, tap on the arrow icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to validate your age. Tap on the option validate. Now you'll have to provide the information regarding how do you identify yourself. Simply tap on the gender of your choice. Tap on the arrow icon. You'll have to answer few questions like this. Here I'm just going to skip the questions. Simply tap on the option skip that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Keep answering the question or you can also skip it if you want. Now simply select the gender that you'd like to meet. Tap on the gender of your choice. Tap on the option confirm. Now you'll have to answer the question what are you looking for. Tap on the option of your choice or you can also skip it. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to add your first two photos. Tap on the option add photos. Now you can choose the photo from library or you can also take a photo. Your face must be visible on your first photo. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option choose from library. Now simply select the photos that you want to upload. Now after you select those photos, tap on the option add to your profile. Again tap on the option add to your profile. Now tap on the option confirm that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll have to select the location. Tap on the option I'm based in. Now enter your city of residence. After you do that, tap on the arrow icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to enable the location. Simply tap on the option enable location. Now tap on the option while using the app. Now you'll have to describe your personality. Tap on the option I describe myself as. Now you can also skip these questions if you want. You can also answer it if you want. Right now I'm just going to skip it. Now you can see over here your Happn account will be created. So that is how you create Happn account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.